Sunday. Fun stuff. Hope everybody's finding stuff to do, getting creative. Me and Brianna try to find whatever we possibly can during these times to try to fill our minds and stay busy so we can continue to show up and do what's necessary. So hope you're getting creative right now, because creativity is the only way to get through this thing. I was playing a board game earlier, Brianna's idea. It's kind of fun. Stay up, stay focused. Today's Sunday. Next week, back to it. Hope you guys are doing well and hanging in there. Right now, guys, is one of those times where you have to make decisions about your future, and it's tough, it's hard, because things might not be doing too well, and there's so much uncertainty. I'm sure you've heard that a lot lately about uncertainty, and you don't know exactly what decision to make, what choice to make. How do you go about it? What do you do? Do you do it? Do you not do it? Do you keep showing up? Do you downgrade? These are the questions probably most of you are asking yourself right now. The reason why I know is because it's the questions we're asking ourselves right now. And all you can do is have faith. You have faith, you give it 110%, you do it, and then you see it through. And then you see what the outcome is. Once you see what the outcome is, then you kind of make a decision from there. But I think the moral of the story is give it as much effort and action that you possibly can. Leave it all out on the field, as they say. Don't give yourself the pleasure of not doing something and then regretting that you didn't do it and then feeling bad about it. See, at the end of the day, I want to leave it all out on the field, do everything that I possibly can to ensure that my life, my business, my finances, everything are in order. And then from there, I'll make the changes if necessary. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do everything in my power to show up. I'm gonna put the effort in. I'm gonna put the energy in. I'm gonna do the 6 days a week. I'm gonna work, coronavirus or not. I know a lot of you guys are so concerned right now with, are you being healthy? Are you affecting people? Are you infecting people? I mean, when you're a business owner or you're somebody that your money is relying upon yourself, your priorities are a little bit different. We can argue easily that right now, health matters and lives matter. And I think that's absolutely true. And I don't want to get confrontational on that, because I feel like that's kind of political almost. It's a lot of people's standpoints of what they feel about it. But I think, your financial situation, if you're not working right now, if you are laid off, or somebody is laid off, or you're a business owner and your business is shut down because of this, you're feeling it right now. And it's up to you to pay your bills. Yeah, okay, we could take advantage of some stimulus packages, and you're going to be able to get creative as you possibly can, and hopefully you plan for something like this to happen. But who in the world can plan for something like this? I don't think anyone can necessarily plan for something like this, but you could be smart with your finances from the beginning, so when a recession does happen, you're able to handle it, with a very smooth handle and get through the hard times. But if you weren't fully prepared 100%, then that this is tough, and that making the decision of shutting down your business or showing up to work is not a question of doing it. It's not even a question. It's just do it, because you got to pay for your bills. You got to pay for your family. You got to feed yourself. How do we know what your circumstances is? Maybe your business is shut down, and we can easily say, oh, well, you could just go move back in with your parents or get family help. Well, what if your whole family right now is affected on top of your business affected? Now you got nowhere to go. You got nothing to go to. You got nothing to turn to. And so right now, We shouldn't be worrying about toilet paper. We shouldn't be worrying about sanitizer. We should be putting our efforts towards, hey, let's be cautious day by day, but we need to be focused on our business. We need to be focused on our finances and focused on our future. Because if you don't worry about your future right now, no one's going to worry about it for you. You know, you might have a good partner in your life like I do, or you might have someone that cares about you, or a friend or something like that, but they're not going to do it for you, you know, and neither is the government. So you have to be the one to show up every single day, make the hard decisions, okay, and put your life back in order, because this was a huge curveball that we were all thrown. And if you don't get a handle on this thing now, and you don't make the conscious decision that, hey, I have a problem and you need to come up with a solution and have a plan. I think that's the biggest thing before I shut this thing off, is having a plan. I'm not claiming to have all the answers here, to be honest with you, because up until about a week ago, I was in denial about this whole thing. And last week, I came up with a plan that really helped me out, and it put me in perspective and it aligned me towards what I need to be doing. Because if you don't have a plan, you're dead in the water already. You're already screwed. And you're already behind, okay? You need to be taking advantage of whatever you can right now. Get the upper hand on this deal, okay? Otherwise, you're gone, you're toast. Anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Whoever, dedicate this to anyone that is struggling out there right now, anyone that is a small business owner, even big business owners. You know, I feel your pain, and we're gonna stick this thing out together, and we're gonna kill COVID. We're gonna kill COVID-19. We're not gonna allow it to take out our businesses. We're gonna show up every day, do what's necessary, because that's why we're business owners in the first place. You know, I was built for winter, and I know if you're a true business owner, you're a true entrepreneur out there, you were built for winter too, and you're gonna get through this. So keep showing up.